Hi, I'm Claude Bailey, founder of LivingGodly.com, where we help people that want to live godly but don't know where to start, even if you haven't attended church. In this video, I'm going to cover the benefits of living godly, reading to you some scriptures out of the book of Psalms, Psalms 12. Please follow along. Help, Lord, for the godly man ceaseth, for the faithful fail from among the children of men. They speak vanity, every one with his neighbor. With flattering lips and with a double heart do they speak. The Lord shall cut off all flattering lips, and a tongue that speaketh proud things. Who have said, with our tongue will we prevail, our lips are our own. Who is Lord over us? For the oppression of the poor, for the sighing of the needy. Now will I arise, saith the Lord, I will set him in safety from him that puffeth at him. The words of the Lord are pure words, as silver tried in a furnace of earth, purified 7 times. Thou shalt keep them, O Lord, thou shalt preserve them from this generation forever. The wicked walk on every side, when the vilest men are exalted. May you be blessed by the reading and hearing of God's word. For more information about Psalms 12, for the exhortation and the New English translation, please visit LivingGodly.com. Thank you, and God bless you.